took a cookie!
Mango, no, please be quiet now.
Oh, I am so busy today.
She is not busy. She ate chocolate. Stranger at the door! Stranger at the door!
Leo, someone is outside our house.
This parrot knows all our secrets.
Nobody is safe in this house anymore.
Dad, can we please get a pet?
A pet is a very big job.
I promise I will take care of it. I will take good care of it. We will feed it. We really promise.
A pet needs lots of love and time.
But we have so much love to give.
Okay, you win this time, kids.
Come on, let us visit the pet shop.
Yes! This is the best day ever! Come on, Ben, let us please hurry up now.
Welcome! We have dogs, cats, and birds.
Wow, look at all these amazing animals! Those little puppies are so cute and fluffy. But puppies need very long daily walks. Dad, look at that colorful little bird.
That is a parrot. Very clever indeed.
Wow!
His bright feathers are so beautiful. Wow.
That is Mango. He repeats everything.
Hello. Who is a clever boy? He talked. He really talked to me. So funny. Can we please keep him? A talking bird beats a boring puppy.
A talking parrot could be really fun.
Does he copy every single word? Yes, sir. He copies everything perfectly. But careful, he repeats your secrets too. How bad can one little parrot be? You will find out very soon, sir.
Please, Dad, please say yes to Mango. We will look after him very well.
All right, let us take Mango home today.
We will take him. We love him already. We love him already. We love him already. See? He copied you perfectly, little brother.
Okay, Mango, welcome to your new home.
New home! New home! Squawk! Good luck, and remember, he never forgets. Well, this is going to be interesting.
Mango, this is your new perch here. Right here! He copies every single word we say.
Let us teach him some nice words.
Say good morning, Mango. Good morning.
Morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Now say, I love you, Mango.
I love you. I love you, everybody.
He is the smartest parrot ever.
Let us give Mango some fresh water.
I will bring him some tasty seeds.
Tasty seeds! Tasty seeds! Squawk!
He wants his food right now, look! I hid the cookies in my room. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Talki go!
Cookies in my room! Cookies in my room!
Mango, that was supposed to be secret. He heard you, little brother. So funny.
Ben, do you have cookies upstairs?
No, Mom. Of course not. I promise.
Cookies in my room! Squawk!
Mango never tells a lie, does he?
Okay, fine. I have a few cookies.
No snacks before dinner, you know that.
This parrot is going to ruin me.
Ruin me! Ruin Welcome to your new life with Mango.
Sorry, I am really too busy today.
She is not busy. She ate chocolate.
Mango! Please be quiet right now.
Mom, he totally caught you that time.
I only ate one very small piece.
The whole box. She ate the whole box.
Okay, fine, it was 2 little pieces.
But Mango never tells lies, Mom.
Whole box. Whole box. Squawk.
This bird is getting on my nerves.
I am back from my long meeting.
No meeting. He ate ice cream in the car.
Mango, that is not even true.
Leo, were you eating ice cream again?
No, honey, I was working very hard.
2 big scoops split ice cream.
Okay, maybe I had a small treat.
You told me you were on a diet.
Now you know how I feel, Dad. Mango catches everybody in this family.
This parrot has a very big mouth.
Big mouth. Big mouth. Squawk.
Dad, let us watch a scary movie tonight.
Sure, son. Scary movies are no problem.
He hides his eyes.
Dad gets scared. Dad, do you get scared of movies?
No, I am a big, brave man.
He screamed. He hid behind the pillow.
Dad, is that story really true?
Okay, maybe one part was a little scary.
My big brave dad is scared of movies.
That is quite enough now, Mango.
I hope nobody knows about my diary.
Ruby loves a boy. Ruby loves Jake.
Mango, no, that is my biggest secret. Ruby has a crush. Ruby has a crush. Ben, stop it now. This is awful.
Ruby loves Jake. Squawk.
I am so embarrassed I could cry.
It is okay, sweetie. It is normal.
This silly parrot ruined my whole life.
Whole life.
Ben, did you finish all your homework?
Yes, Mom. I finished every single page.
No homework. He watched cartoons all day.
Ben, did you lie about your homework?
Mango is a big liar. Do not believe him.
Cartoons all day. No homework at all.
Like, share, comment, subscribe. Talki go!
Go and do your homework right now.
Ugh, this parrot tells on everybody. Now you know how I feel, brother.
That is it. I have had enough.
Honey, please, calm down for a moment.
This parrot tells all my private secrets.
But Mango is just being honest, Mom.
I do not want an honest parrot.
Mom, please, do not be so angry.
Tomorrow, that noisy bird goes back to the shop.
No, Mom, please do not send Mango away. We love him, Mom. Please let him stay.
Maybe your mother is a little bit right.
See, kids? Even your father agrees with me.
Goes away? Goes away?
Look, Mom, now Mango is very sad. You really hurt his little feelings, Mom.
A little parrot has no feelings, Ben.
No feelings? No feelings? He understood you. He is really sad.
Enough. He goes back in the morning.
This is the worst day of my life. Ruby, we have to save Mango tonight. But how do we change Mom's mind?
All right, kids, go to bed. We talk tomorrow.
Are we really leaving?
Stranger! Stranger! Wake up! Wake up!
What? What is happening right now?
Stranger at the door! Stranger at the door!
Leo, someone is outside our house.
Mango is shouting so very loudly. I am so scared, Dad. What is that?
Everyone stay behind me and keep calm. Stranger.
Stranger! Stranger! Call for help!
Who is there? We can see you.
The lights are on. He can see us.
He ran away. Look, he is gone. Mango scared the robber away. He is a hero.
Hero! 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 Squawk!
Ha! That parrot woke up the whole street.
Mango just protected our whole family tonight.
Oh, his loud voice finally saved the day. The loud bird was good for something.
And I wanted to send him away.
Please, Mom, can Mango stay with us now?
Yes, Ben, Mango is staying forever.
Did you hear that, Mango? You can stay.
Stay forever! Stay forever! Squawk!
Our loud, honest parrot is a real hero.
You are the bravest parrot in the world.
Last night, Mango saved all of us.
His loud voice kept our family safe.
And he always tells the honest truth. Even when the truth is very embarrassing.
Very embarrassing! Very embarrassing! Squawk!
I am sorry I got so angry, Mango.
Sorry, Mango! Sorry, Mango!
So we can keep our little secrets now?
No more secrets in this house, kids.
Fine, no more crushes in my diary.
Ruby loves Jake! Squawk!
Mango, no, we talked about this already. He will never let that go.
An honest family is a happy family.
And a loud parrot keeps us all safe.
I love you, Mango, you funny bird.
Best parrot! Best parrot! I love you!
We love you too, Mango.
Welcome home, Mango, forever and ever.
Forever and ever! Squawk! I love you!
Like, share, comment, subscribe. Talki, go!